Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making Tawa Chicken. This recipe is packed with a ton of delicious spices. Let's get started. In a pan on medium-high heat, add in your oil and cook your ginger and garlic paste for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, follow with your tomatoes. Cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're soft and mushy. Now add in your chopped green chilies and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Start adding your spices and cook them with the tomatoes for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Next, add in your chopped chicken breast and coat evenly with all the spices on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Add in your yogurt and mix. Once it's all mixed, bring all the meat to the center of the pan and add the other half of your diced tomatoes and 3 chilies. Follow with a handful of cilantro. Now put it on medium heat and cover for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid and mix it. Cook on high heat to evaporate any excess gravy. Once your gravy has thickened, add lemon juice and mix. Let's not forget to add some butter and mix once again. Top it off with freshly sliced onions, and there you have it, Tawa Chicken. Doesn't that make your mouth water? Try this recipe out and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, link is in the description.